Hey Trev, what are you doing this morning?
I'm making a super fluffy omelette.
So what are you doing first?
I'm separating 2 egg yolks and egg whites.
Okay.
And then I'm going to fluff up the egg whites.
Okay. What you doing there, Trevor?
I'm adding 1 teaspoon of sugar to the whites.
Okay.
So it has better fluffy peaks later.
Oh. So that's 1 teaspoon of salt.
Yes.
Okay, with the yolks. So you're just mixing the yolks?
Yeah, until it's smooth.
So what you doing here?
I'm whipping the eggs whites so it can have fluffy peaks.
So are you making a meringue?
Pretty much. Oh, that's a little bit too hot. It's done now because when I lift it up, there's a little peak and it's hot and it's staying.
Oh, I see that. What are you doing now?
I'm cutting and folding the egg yolks into the egg whites so that I don't pop that many bubbles. I'm using the technique cut and fold so I can mix it without popping many things.
Oh, it's so pretty.
So what you doing now, Trev?
I'm putting the mixed eggs onto a nonstick pan with a little bit of butter, and I'm going to cook it under low heat for 3 to 4 minutes with the lid on.
Trev, do you need this?
And what are you doing now? You gotta flip it?
I'm going to attempt to fold it over.
Hold on. There. See what I did? I made room over here.
That's humongous.
That's why it's